Hello, differential equation kids. I hope that you made it to class on time today. And I hope that you're treating Miss Mackey well. You have a small assignment to do today that kind of works on some of the things that we talked about last week when I saw you, which was, I think, Wednesday. I want to really briefly summarize what we did. We talked about raising e to the it, and we said that, well, that was cosine of cosine of t plus I sine of t. We did not go and use it for any differential equations, but I think you can start to figure out the patterns and stuff like that. What I want you to do is 2.3 out of your book, numbers 1 to 5, then 10 to 15, and 18 and 21. There are a couple in here that use this, but most of them, and the ones that do use this don't get super complicated. We'll talk about some other variations of this later. I guess the other thing that we talked about on what went on last week on Wednesday was duplicated roots. Sorry, I got interrupted there for a moment. We talked about duplicated or repeated roots. Not duplicated roots. We talked about repeated roots. So remember, the way that we made things linearly independent was we tacked on a t. For example, if I had r minus 1 squared, actually let's make it r minus 2 squared in a characteristic equation, that means that my solutions, I would have e to the 2t for one of my solutions, and then I would have another solution that was t e to the 2t. And if it was cubed, then I have another one, and it would be t squared e to the 2t. And it would go on like that for a while. So hopefully you're good with that. I think you should be able to finish this set of problems in class. Bye.